Well, News 4's Amelia Siegel is living life on the edge these days. She recently headed across the border to check out Toronto's newest daredevil attraction.
Breathtaking views of Toronto, and guess what? It's outside. We're on the Edgewalk at the CN Tower.
It's a thrilling experience, definitely not for those afraid of heights. My photographer Mike Mombre and I took a day trip to Toronto with one mission: walk on the outside of the tallest structure in the Western Hemisphere.
What's going on? Yeah.
We arrived at base camp and got suited up. Next was an elevator ride that took us up about 100 stories. There were smiles of nervous excitement as two very strong ropes were fastened onto our harnesses. The door opened, and coaxed by our guide Stoff or Daffy Tackby, we walked outside. Now about 1,200 feet in the air, the view was breathtaking.
You got this, girl.
But just standing on the sidewalk with graded platform wasn't enough. Daffy had us tip over the side, actually lean like we were doing a trust fall at summer camp.
I'm a little nervous just sitting here.
Unlike in summer camp, I was now trusting the ropes and hopefully not falling.
This is kind of crazy.
I leaned, laughing, partly from nerves, partly from the adrenaline, and also because I thought it was fun. It was like being in an airplane. The cars looked matchbox size, and people were small ants. We could even see over the tallest buildings in the city's skyline.
You can do the Edgewalk in almost any type of weather. The only weather where they don't allow people to go out and get this breathtaking view is if there's lightning or if icing is occurring on the tower. Show us how they do it in Buffalo.
Next, we did a move called the Titanic. This was more daring.
Let go, arms out. Woo! How does that feel? It feels like scary.
But there were no problems today, and our group finished the adventure with everyone hanging over the edge.
Way to go. All right, Amelia.
Amelia Siegel, News 4.
Wow. She answered my question there, Don, which was about the weather. You have to get a weather report before you go up there, and is it the same up there as it is on the ground?